Alright guys, Danny here. Got a call from a customer about a leaky hose bib here. And yeah, it's dripping out really good. They said they couldn't turn it off by this. So, as you can see, that's not working. So, they also have this little valve on the side here. That's open, that's closed. That's no good. So, usually what happens here is on the spigot itself, this top nut here, lots of times you can just tighten her up. See here, and it will shut off. But I have a feeling this one has already been tightened a couple times. Yeah, that's not working, is it, guys? Yeah, so this water spigot really needs to be replaced, or just the actual guts that are inside here. What I'm going to do for now in the interim, I just added a second washer in here, and I made sure the valve is turned off. So I'll put this puppy back on here until further notice. Sorry about the wiggling there, guys. Trying to open up my crescent wrench. So we'll tighten the heck out of this thing. And there we go. That'll work until we get that spigot replaced. All right, guys, have a good one.